So we're going to take a look at the Pelsee P1 Pro Dash Cam. So this is a front and rear view cam with a StarVis 2 sensor, 4K capable, with AI night vision, HDR, WDR, ADAS, GPS, Wi-Fi, voice, and app control. Also comes with a 24-hour parking mode. It has a 3.39-inch screen, which gives you a real sharp, beautiful picture, and it even comes with a 64 gig card included, and that's enough for 4K and plenty of record time. So this is my second Pelsee dash cam. Actually, I had the rear view mirror one. It's in my other car. I really like it. So I was really excited to put this one in my Subaru, and I was not disappointed. So let's take a look. So this dash cam not only is a dash cam, but it comes with a whole bunch of features, including smart driving assistant. So this helps you give you proactive alerts if you like that for forward collision, pedestrian collision, lane departure warning, and front vehicle start reminder. Basically, it's an AI co-pilot for you for highway and city driving. Now, for me, I'm not really into that. What I was really into was the compact and ease of installation. It also is capable of hands-free control. You can lock the video, noise canceling mic. It has a real nice microphone that is real clear, and it's pretty impressive. Now you have Wi-Fi and built-in GPS. 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi enables real-time viewing, downloading, and sharing of 4K footage directly via the Cam app. So this way you really don't have to remove the SD card. You have instant access to your footage just in case you need it as evidence. So you have uninterrupted protection with 24-hour parking mode monitoring. It instantly activates via G sensor upon impact or motion when parked. Time-lapse mode compresses hours into minutes. Loop recording overrides old footage. This way you're always constantly recording. And you could expand the included 64 gigabyte card up to 512. This way you have plenty of recording time and space. So you have everything you need to set this up. It was pretty much plug and play. I didn't run the cables and tuck them away right away because I wanted to get the footage and get a drive in. But super easy. Comes with all the little plastic tool to tuck the wires wherever you need to tuck them. My rear view is from the inside of the car. I didn't put it on the outside. It's shooting through very dark factory tint, so the rear camera is very impressive. It's one of the better ones that I've ever had. Of course, with new technology, they're always improving. This Pelsee P1 Pro Dash Cam is up there with the rest and probably leading the pack. So I'm pretty happy with this. Super easy to install. Great to have a dash cam. There's no doubt about that. And with all the features you ever need and more, you're good to go with this. Just put it in your cart and buy with confidence.